Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of getting started with Clearscope, which is a powerful web-based AI-powered tool that helps you optimize your content and drive traffic to your website. So I'm logged into my Clearscope account. First, you need to create a new project. Now, it's recommended that you connect your Google Search Console property. To do so, you'll have to add your domain to your Google Search Console property. You can check this tutorial if you've not already done so. You'll find the link at the end of this video. So let me go back to my Clearscope account, and I'll click on this arrow button. You'll need to log in and choose your Google account, and then click on Continue. You'll be brought to this page. Check this box, and then click on Continue. Next, use this drop-down. Choose the domain, like so. Then click this arrow button. On this page, enter your homepage URL into this box. Choose your Google locale. I'll stick with the default United States google.com. And then choose your language. I'll stick with English. And then click on Create Project. It will then start working on it and then bring you to this page. Then click Confirm. And congratulations, you've successfully set up your project. Now next, I'll briefly walk you through the Clearscope account. So click on Account in the top right corner, and then choose My Profile. And here you can update your name, email address, and the project notification settings. Down below, if you click on Organization Settings, you'll see several tabs for various account settings. I'll cover each of these tabs in more detail in my Clearscope account and user interface walkthrough video. So I won't get into all of this right now. In this left side panel, you'll find various sections, and this is where all of the magic happens. For example, in the content report section, you'll find all the content reports you've generated. In the content inventory section, you'll find all the web pages you've imported and the corresponding analytics for these web pages. And finally, under Topic Research and Explorations is where you'll do your keyword research and discovery. As mentioned earlier, I'll be creating separate tutorials where I cover each of these sections. I would also encourage you to watch this Clearscope overview video in which I walk you through all of the features and what you can expect from your Clearscope subscription. To try Clearscope and get a discounted price, check the link in the description section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.